For the last couple of months, I've been working on a special project, and today I'd like to announce that I have officially made my first ever course on Skillshare. I get a lot of questions about laser machining, so I decided that it was the best option for me to go ahead and make a course specifically targeted on getting started with laser machining. This course will cover things such as how to set up your machine, how to do raster and vector machining, how to work with color mapping, how to find the perfect settings for a material, and a lot more. I've had both laser users and companies provide feedback on the course materials ahead of time so that I could provide the best information to you. It would help me a lot if you take a minute to click the link in the description to see what the course is all about. If you have any questions along the way, or if you have more ideas for courses that I can create in the future, please let me know. Thank you for all of your support, and I look forward to seeing you all over on Skillshare.